The call should wrap up soon. It's actually telling me this because it's observing the call. Oh wait, is it still? Interesting thing that, I mean, there had to be one thing that went wrong in the live demo. It stopped observing the call. So I had to tell it now, is the call still ongoing? Now what it's going to do, perfect, call just ended. Adam gave some great insights. Here's what he shared. Let's figure out what comes back. Okay, so can you actually vocalize this so everyone can hear?